17 Effective Detox Water Recipes for Weight Loss. Drinking water is essential to maintain health and human life. Our body consists of 70% water, so it's really important to replenish our water reserves. Water normalizes metabolic processes in our body, removes toxins, provides thermoregulation of the body. Water has a large list of beneficial properties. For example, drinking water also promotes weight loss and improved digestion. Scientists have proved that water can suppress an appetite and improve metabolism if you will drink 2 liters of water a day.
Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start.
You begin to control your appetite and your weight becomes normal. Many people forget to drink water because it's boring and tasteless. We offer you another option. Have you ever tried detox water? It's water with slices of different fruits, veggies, and greens. These useful ingredients improve the taste of water and fill your body with all essential vitamins and nutrients. We would like to bring your attention to recipes of natural healthy water that will make you drink more water. Number 1. Orange Delight. Lemon plus mint plus lime plus orange plus water. Number 2. Ginger Madness. Ginger plus turmeric plus orange plus water. Number 3. Mixed Greens. Spinach plus celery plus cilantro plus lettuce plus lemon plus water. Number 4. Berry and pomegranate mix. Blueberries plus pomegranate plus mint plus water. Number 5. Raspberry lemon mix. Lemon plus raspberry plus water. 6. Grapefruit lime mix. Grapefruit plus lime plus mint plus water. Number 7. Watermelon parsley mix. Watermelon plus parsley plus celery plus mint plus water. Number 8. Blueberry chia mix. Chia plus blueberry plus mint plus water. Number 9. Coconut water mix. Coconut plus lemon plus rosemary plus oregano plus cilantro plus watercress plus water. Number 10. Melon orange mix. Melon plus orange plus water. Number 11. Orange rosemary mix. Orange plus rosemary plus water. Number 12. Ginger and lime mix. Ginger plus parsley plus lime plus water. Number 13. Ginger apricot mix. Ginger plus apricot plus turmeric plus water. Number 14. Rosemary grape mix. Rosemary plus grape plus turmeric plus water. Number 15. Grape greens mix. Cilantro plus grape plus cilantro plus lemon plus water. Number 16. Orange chia mix. Orange plus chia plus turmeric plus water. Number 17. Peach cherry mix. Peach plus cherry plus water. These various combinations will definitely give you pleasure and make you drink more water. You can choose any number of fruits, vegetables, and herbs to put in your detox water, or you can create your own combinations.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.